it's not the most feminine, beautiful, romantic dress you've ever seen. This is not a very good shot of it, but it's really cute, trust me. Okay, well, my mother decided to spoil me for my birthday, which is why she got me this dress, well, a gift certificate to that brand. You know the one. You know the one that you wouldn't pay full price for, but then you do because it's your birthday. I'm so excited about this dress. We are going camping tomorrow. Fortunately, I'm not going to be bringing my fancy new dress, but I'm going to be prepping some food. We're going with my friend Faith. She runs the website Faithful Plateful. It's all whole foods, plant-based recipes and just really solid recipes. Definitely recommend checking her out. And she lives here in town, and we are gonna go up into the mountains and pop up a rooftop tent and rough it for 2 nights and probably get no sleep. But hopefully maybe I'll bring my camera along so you guys can see, because camping is just so much fun and we love it so much. And anyway, we are gonna split dinners. So she's gonna do dinner the first night, I'm gonna do dinner the second night, and I'm gonna make pasta, literally just straight up pasta. Not making anything fancy, I'm keeping it simple. We are camping with children. It is gonna be chaotic, but I am gonna make a salad too. So I'm gonna be making the Oshi Glows Caesar salad. It is just such a winner. We've been making it for, oh my gosh, like 15 years now. However long that recipe has been up on the website. I make it multiple times a year whenever I go like bring a salad places. I always bring the salad because it's so good. It's romaine and kale with a cashew Caesar and chickpea croutons, but I'm also gonna make croutons out of my old sourdough crust that's been laying around, and also a cashew sprinkleable parm. And so we're gonna get that done today. And yes, I'm gonna be wearing this beautiful dress because I feel sexy in it. I feel romantic. I feel like my true self. Also, look at this like adorable music wall. We actually just got Cosmo's first violin yesterday, so we need to get a hanger. We also need a hanger for Woody's ukulele. And I'm holding this yoga mat while I'm talking. We need Woody's ukulele and then Cosmo's new violin. And then I had to order Woody a toy violin because he's not allowed to touch Cosmo's violin, and it's so unfair. Like, he just wants to touch it. So I had to get him his own. So I think this whole wall is gonna be instruments. So I thought maybe we could hang Eric's trumpet up there. I think it'd be look really cool. You know when like you pull your hair back in a ponytail and you're like, oh, that's such a cute ponytail. I should wear my hair like this. But then when you actually put it in a ponytail, it just sinks, and then you never actually get to see your hair like that. We are going to be using plastic bags. The old me would cringe, and I don't care, they're so convenient. I don't use them all that often. Sometimes when you're going camping, you need to put lettuce in a bag, it's just way better.
Pull that one towards me. The big block. It's okay. It's not gonna get you. There you go. The stranger, the stranger. The stranger, the stranger, the stranger.
Yeah, seriously?
Yeah.
There you are. Maybe they go down there but they always go to the
This is beautiful. Put it on the ground, honey.
Handsome, oh, so handsome. Gentle and sweet, knocks me off my feet every time I see him. Handsome, handsome man. I don't even know his name. I don't know where he lives, but he's still to blame for all the misery he gives me, 'cause he's handsome, oh, so handsome. Gentle and sweet, knocks me off my feet every time I see him. Handsome, handsome man, handsome man. Who can he be? Ooh, he's just right for me. 'Cause he's handsome, oh, so handsome. Gentle and sweet, knocks me off my feet every time I see him. Handsome, handsome man, handsome man.
So everything was raw inside?
Nice.
I parboiled the veggies just so it wouldn't take as long to cook.
Yeah. There we go.
Want some?
There is nothing like sleeping to the sound of water under a blanket of stars, squeezed next to your children in a rooftop tent. Nothing like getting up in the morning and walking down to the roaring river and splashing your face with alpine water to wake up, because let's be honest, you got no sleep last night. There's nothing like being in the mountains, guys. It's exhilarating. Get yourself out in the wild this summer. Your soul needs it.
Darling, please take a chance with me. I'll solve all your problems and all your misery. Oh, please, please, darling, take a chance with me.